Okay, I'm going to go through two examples. You got 5 worksheets, right? The first 2 are the same kind, which is you've got an equation, you got a graph, you've got to write the equation, and then in the last 3 worksheets you get the equation and you've got to do the graph. Okay, so the first kind, this is the top left because they're not really numbered. On the first worksheet, which is called Linear Equations from Graphs A, right, on the top left you should see that graph right there. So if we've got to write a slope-intercept form, right, like we just did, right, slope-intercept means you've got to find the M and you've got to find the B, right? So what's the B at looking at this graph? Okay, what is it? Yeah, it looks, that's the B. Wherever it crosses the y-axis, that's B, right? And then how do you determine the slope? Okay, well, they've done the favor of like highlighting some points on there, right? So, and in between any of these points, you know, you're going to say, well, how much am I going up and down? How much am I going left or right? And we know that the slope is the rise. How much is going up and down? Divided by the run. How much is it going left to right? Okay, well, between those 2 points, what is it doing, up and down? It's going down 4, right? So that is, the M is going to be down 4. How much is it going to the left or to the right? Right, going over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's over 5. Okay, so that's minus 4 plus 5. Slope is negative 4/5. So what is the equation of the line? Y equals negative 4/5 x, don't forget the x, plus 8. Okay, do you see it? No questions about how to do that? Okay, then the other is, what if they give you the equation and you have to make the graph? So what they're telling you this time, they're telling you the slope, and they're telling you the B, right? Which is the first point that you have to plot? The B, right? The y-intercept. So it is right here. Okay, now, how do I use the slope, negative 1/4? Okay, so this negative 1/4, which is really a fraction which has a negative in front of the whole fraction. But you could consider it to be like negative 1 over positive 4 or positive 1 over negative 4. I mean, either one is going to get you to the right spot. So let's say that I'm using this one right here. That means down 1 and right 4. So from this point, not from the origin, right? And it's not the point negative 1, 4, but from 2 on the y-axis, go down 1 and then go right 4. Again, if I would have used this one, it would have been up and to the left. Up 1 and left 4. In either case, that's going to be the same line. All right, so here's our line. All right, so first you got to do the y-intercept, then you've got to do the slope, and you're done. Sketch a line. So just finish those 5 worksheets, and you're still going to get back after lunch. I'll give you back the quiz you took last time. We'll go over that.